Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all the health-conscious foodies out there. We're going to share some delicious and nutritious meal prep ideas that will make your week a breeze. If you're looking to eat healthy without sacrificing taste or spending hours in the kitchen, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. 1. Breakfast delights. First up, let's start with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. We have two scrumptious options that are perfect for those busy mornings. Our first meal prep idea is overnight oats with mixed berries and nuts. It's packed with fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. The best part? You can make a big batch and enjoy it throughout the week. Next, we have egg muffins loaded with vegetables and lean protein. They're easy to make and can be customized to your liking. 2. Wholesome lunches. Now, let's move on to lunchtime. We know how tempting it is to grab unhealthy takeout during lunch breaks, but with these meal prep ideas, you'll have a delicious and satisfying meal ready to go. Our first lunch idea is a vibrant salad jar. Layer it with colorful veggies, a protein source like grilled chicken or tofu, and a homemade dressing. Shake it up when you're ready to eat, and you'll have a fresh and nutritious salad. Another option is a veggie-packed quinoa bowl with roasted chickpeas. It's packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. 3. Dinner winners. Last but not least, let's talk about dinner. We have two mouthwatering meal prep ideas that will make your evening stress-free. Our first dinner option is a flavorful sheet pan chicken and veggies. Simply toss your favorite vegetables, such as broccoli, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes, with marinated chicken breast and bake it all together. It's a complete meal with minimal cleanup. For our vegetarian friends, we have a delicious lentil curry with brown rice. It's packed with plant-based protein and aromatic spices that will tantalize your taste buds. 4. Snacks on the go. Snacks. We all love them, right? But let's make sure they're healthy too. We've got two snack options that will keep you energized throughout the day. First, we have homemade energy balls packed with nuts, dates, and a touch of dark chocolate. They're great for a quick pick-me-up. Our second snack idea is crispy kale chips. These guilt-free chips are oven-baked to perfection and make a fantastic alternative to greasy potato chips. And there you have it, folks, our collection of easy and nutritious meal prep ideas to help you eat well throughout the week. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little bit of planning and these recipes, you'll be on your way to nourishing your body with delicious meals. Give them a try and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more healthy recipe ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and happy.